So good morning. It's a Monday and I think I'm late for work. लिफ्ट का वेट कर रहे हैं. Okay, so the lift is here. सबके मंडे ऐसे ही जाते हैं क्या? Okay, I think it's time to go. And the week has started, and I just hope that this week is good for you, for everybody around you, for your work, for your personal lives, and all the best. See you in the evening. Okay, sorry. So I came back just to tell you, chalo, thankfully there's no traffic today. So I should be at work on time. See you. Bye. Hello, hello, hello. So I've just finished my work and it was a good, decent Monday. And let me switch on the light here. Yeah, and it's been good. And I'm just heading back home. And let's see. Arey, there is so much of traffic. Oh God. But I miss you so much, my Farvi Sasa. Okay, I've just come back home. चाबी कहाँ रख दी मैंने? Okay, it's here. घर आके ना फीलिंग ही अलग होती है. Like it's always so good to be back home. Ta-da! It was a good day for a Monday. A good start to the week. And I think अगर mind positive होता है, तुम्हारा outset positive होता है, तो अच्छा निकल जाता है day. Okay, so these are my Neutrogena makeup wipes. It's very easy. Makeup करना is difficult, but makeup उतारना उससे भी ज़्यादा difficult. मैं तो कुछ लगाती भी नहीं हूँ. नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत लगाती हूँ, but not as much. Okay? I like to keep it nice and simple. Anyway, so I just use this because I'm a little lazy and I just think it works really well. तो इसको थोड़ा सा रब करा. ये मेरा मस्कारा निकाल दिया. So yeah, I don't know how do girls put on so much of makeup. Like how do they manage their routine? कैसे? I mean, they look gorgeous, okay? I'm not saying कि नहीं लगाना चाहिए, but how do they manage to take out the time and be so perfect and like they do it so well and so professionally. But yeah, each one to their own. हम भी सीख रहे हैं. We also learning. Oh God. The idea is this vibe is actually so refreshing. It's so refreshing. मैं तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है it's almost like you washed your face. And no, this is not sponsored. I'm just saying that it's really good. Instead of makeup, like even dust and everything, it just takes it out like this. So yeah. इसके बाद जाके भी हम फिर से फेस वॉश भी करेंगे, बट दिस इज स्टेप 1. You know, sometimes हम लोग इतना काम कर रहे होते हैं and we like I know of some people who don't even like want to take out their makeup and I tell them it's the bare minimum. It's the bare minimum. Okay. चलो. Okay, I'm hungry. अब फटाफट prayer पूरी करके then let's have dinner. I am hungry. Okay, I'm going to have dinner now, but I just love my night suits. ना मज़ा आता है ना घर आके बस ऐसे नाइट सूट में बैठ जाओ. Okay, let me have dinner. Dinner is here. So I get meal plans. I have a meal plan. And उसमें आज देखते हैं क्या आया है. Got veg mandi and seekh kebab with protein. I think हम veg seekh kebab with protein खाएंगे. Okay, food has always been a problem for me. I don't like cooking. और शाम को काम से आके तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद. So I've tried various meal plans and a lot of options, and finally I've narrowed down on this. It's a good company. They're reasonable, and the food is also good actually, and they're very accommodative, very flexible. So yeah, I would like to think that khana is sorted. Khana is getting warmer. Okay, so what I usually do is thoda sa, like just to create a nice warm environment at home. So what I usually do is I switch on the lights outside ऐसे, and then what I do is I switch off my room ka lights. So then the vibe of the room is like so gorgeous and so warm, and light itna nahi hota and it just feels nicer. Okay.
सांस भी फुर्सत नहीं हुई मैं टैक्स फ्री में बैठूं सिविल मैटर है बहुत साल लगेंगे आउट ऑफ कोर्ट सेटलमेंट कर लीजिए तो
थोड़ा वक्त हमारे लिए भी निकालो ना जॉब काफी लोग हैं
Okay, so the thing is, मेरे को आ रही है नींद and I also feel like eating a lot of sweets. So जिससे पहले मैं chocolate order करूँ, I think I should go to sleep. Good night.